because you guys are extremely well in saying something and putting out your opinions, whether they were against or for. All right, like especially there were a couple of people, I wouldn't name them, and I have learned so much of Hindi today for the first ever time. And this is in my entire career, this has been for the first ever time for 9 long hours. I might have spoken for 30 minutes to up to 45 minutes in total, including this one, and I'm then listening to somebody. I have never listened to this much in my entire life. I have always been speaking. I always listen to people in the comments, in the DMs, in the voice messages. But this kind of thing, I've clearly written, like if you carefully see, I am learning Hindi. Alright, so I have learned so much of Hindi for the first ever time after KBC. That is the only program where I tried to learn Hindi. But this is for the second time I'm learning things in Hindi. Then second thing I want to relate that when when you were thinking about the death, the cancer and all those bad things because of this vibration, overall summing up, just think the reason why I was going off the video all the time in cuts and basics, it was because I'm sitting constantly, my hip flexors are getting tight, I might get low back pain. So when I'm off the video, I'm trying to stretch my body. I'm trying to do 20 push-ups right over here. I'm trying to take responsibility of my health, which is my personal growth, which is my fitness. So when you are trying to relate that just because of the smartphone, you probably are not able to take care of your personal growth is over here. You just have to figure out your time within those 24 hours and you can take. Write down one website if you don't know, mindvalley.com. You will learn so many things from mindvalley.com. That is the #1 personal growth platform in the world. And you will realize what you are talking today won't be relevant in 2025, because in 2025 or by 2025 in India, कॉलेज एजुकेशन 80% घट जाने वाला है. People would be learning and applying more and more online. So you will have to accept this trend. Like that lady, I don't remember her name, that lady was saying that क्यों हमें तकलीफ हो रही है जबकि वो टेलीविजन आया था, रेडियो आया था. All these transition is what? Change in our human being's life. We are evolving with the technology. Alright? So unless we don't adapt and change, we won't be able to survive. We'll go backwards. So it's your choice whether you want to go backwards or you just want to get hands on with the updates. It's not necessary that you have to be on Instagram all the day. It's just necessary for you to accept that your kids might be on Instagram kind of platform because it would be their world. You cannot deny on that fact. All right. So that's the difference which you should be understanding, because we think that our neck pains are increasing. Why? Because our heads are like this constantly on the phone. But remember, our parents used to be having their head down on newspapers, on filling up the Scrabble, on reading the Times of India, on reading the Divya Bhaskar, on reading the Hindu Times, right? So our neck pain is not because of smartphone or technology. Our neck pain is because of the habits which we have in consuming the information as humans. So it is just changing like that. Then I have written a couple of things like Aditi Singh. I have noticed one beautiful thing out of this, and I would just be grateful to Niara for this. Because of this event, I was able to see there was this lady Aditi Singh whose code number is 182. I don't know if she is right over here or not, but after she completed her talk or her opinion, I guess her dad or some kind of elder person came in from behind the door, which I noticed, and he was trying to confirm whether your thing is over. Meaning, what I'm trying to make sure is elders of such kind of kids are appreciating the efforts online. मतलब इतनी रात को भी वो elders, because I understand you, I come from a background where I only had 300 rupees on my name and I have started my journey खुद के पैरों पे खड़ा हुआ हूँ. I don't come from a rich background, alright? All this money which I now have is my own self-made money over these 10 years. So I know how it is when you are in a small room with 3 or 4 family members and then you have to specifically take out time for this so that noise nahi aaye, and then your family members, just to support you, are going outside on terrace or some kind of other room and something. So I could clearly notice that for Aditi Singh. So hats off to those kind of kids who are able to participate in this kind of debate, and they are willing to go beyond and go that extra mile. So hats off to all those kids, and Niara for pulling out this event for these kind of kids. Congratulations. All right. And next is, people are using social media. So I just want to let you know that on social media, I was jotting, see, in the first slot, I was using computer and my notes section to jot down the reports for you guys. But just to make sure that you guys understand that we are not addicted to social media, even though I am the most active guy apart from all of you on social media, in using social media, in technology and in building businesses right now. But still I was able to use this notepad, which is the traditional old system, and I was using a ball pen to jot down some notes. So it is totally up to your mental power how you want to use and how you want to tackle things. And while you were speaking, I have jotted down 10 to 15 pages, which is not an easy task. All right. All these are my notes for you guys. If I have to, I will read this, but obviously we don't have time for that. Maybe I'll come up with a YouTube video, which is a great idea. I'll do a YouTube video just to say what I have written over here, and maybe you can then watch it on my YouTube. But this is what I wanted to break a pattern for you guys, that it is not, if I can come out of this social media addiction wala life, which you probably might think, which for me is business. I am not at all addictive. When I want to come out of this, I go on notepads. And now, if I'm using these notepads constantly for my videos, and if I come from with my branded notepads, this is a Digital Pratik notepad, I can sell it online and build a business out of it. So all I'm trying to say to you is, whatever you do, whatever you live your life around, you will be able to build business online without you thinking that you're addicted to that. All right. So those are a couple of like points. And then personal growth, people always fantasize with this personal growth, that social media करने से टाइम बिगड़ रहा है, या सोशल मीडिया या स्मार्टफोन यूज करने से हम शायद हमारा पर्सनल ग्रोथ नहीं कर पा रहे. जस्ट टू लेट यू नो, पर्सनल ग्रोथ में 12 एरियाज होते हैं हमारी लाइफ में, which is social, relationships. And when I say relationships, it's not just with your girlfriend and boyfriend, it's like the lesbians and homos as well. All right, between two boys and between two girls, that is also a relationship. If it is not strong, they are failing miserably in their life. So when you talk about personal growth, it is all about that. And I work out only for 15 to 30 minutes every single day. Still, I am able to maintain this body since past couple of years. If you really want to understand personal growth, understand your fitness level. It is not about building biceps and triceps. It is about your longevity. अभी longevity शब्द कितनों लोगों को मालूम होगा? बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम होगा. So in short, you don't know what is personal growth for yourself, right? So keep on evolving with respect to education and try to learn something new every single day via smartphone, via internet, via whatever you want to call. It's the way you are consuming information. Always remember that. Right now you are consuming my information in the form of video or audio. If this comes out in a blog form article, you would be reading that in text form. All right. And if it is one-on-one person, then probably we are not using internet. But that would be one-on-one conversation, which I am right now able to do with 100 people, more than 100 people. So I am multiplying my time right now. So like it's all about that. And when you talk about 12 areas of management, like there is time management as well. You think you don't have time? My calendar is this is like the first day after almost 3 months that I have not slept for the entire night. ऑलराइट, मैं रात का राजा था, मैं कॉल सेंटर वाला बंदा है, ठीक है, तो अपन ने सब कुछ किया है एक्सेप्ट ड्रग्स एंड लड़की को परेशान करना. 2 चीज लाइफ में नहीं किए, बाकी सब किया है, ठीक है. तो मतलब आई हैव लिव्ड दैट कॉलेज वाली लाइफ, बीइंग अ 3 times ड्रॉप आउट. आई एम अ गुज्जू राजपूत बॉय, तलवार वाला, नॉट एबल टू बी पेशेंट ओवर हियर, तपेला गर्म ही रहता था. बट नाउ out of that background, if I am able to do all of these things, there is a certain procedure which I have followed for myself. Just write it down, 6-phase meditation on YouTube. It's a free meditation. Start applying that for yourself. All right. The visions, the world, the adaptations which you will get is completely on a different level. I've been doing these since past 8 years now. So all these things matter. Milind, who is able to do all these things, it's not rocket science. It's just that he has trained something over here because of which he is able to amplify things in his life and then able to get respect and legacy. So people always used to think that हाँ पहले जो गांधी जी करके गए ये वो तो उनको इज्जत मिली, हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे, हमको कहाँ से इज्जत मिलेगी. बॉस परमानेंट टैटू किया है और टी शर्ट भी वही पहन रहा है मैं. ठीक है, इसका मीनिंग क्या है मालूम? लेगेसी greater than currency. All right, whatever I'm doing in my life right now with respect to my work, with respect to this thing where I'm not getting money but still I'm putting in my heart and soul over here in every single word which is coming out of my fucking mouth, is because I care for this in the first place. Legacy greater than currency. All right, and when you always, and inside that as well there is one greater than zero. All right, so anything you do is more than you sitting and pondering whether I should do or not. Do it. Right? There is no in between. You cannot be half pregnant. Either you become pregnant or not pregnant. You cannot be half pregnant. So either you do it or you don't. So one greater than zero. Always make sure that. So if I have done this permanent tattoo over here, legacy greater than currency, and I have a signature of my mentor as well, which is Gary Vaynerchuk, तो ये परमानेंट टैटू ऐसे ही कोई नहीं कर लेगा, यू नो. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट योर माइंडसेट, एंड आई हैव कम फ्रॉम दिस बैकग्राउंड वेर यू आर सिटिंग ओवर हियर, वेर आई वॉज नॉट दिस mental strength wala thing. I will be not sleeping tonight. My entire schedule right now would be, I have a client meeting now after this call post 12 because I knew 12 तक चला जाएगा ये धीरे धीरे करके. alright, and फिर उसके बाद मेरे clients call है, मुझे आज 100 किलोमीटर ड्राइव करके जाना है. कल से उत्तरायण है इन गुजरात. सो इन गुजरात वी हैव उत्तरायण, मकर संक्रांति एज अ फेस्टिवल वेयर 2 days गुजरात ऑफ हो जाएगा. राइट, सो आई वोंट बी गेटिंग स्लीप, but still this energy level would be the same. Why? Because it comes from the heart. It comes from the heart. Do whatever you want to do. मेरा एक ही सिद्धांत है, always do whatever you want to do which you love to do. But to reach to that point where you can do what you love to do, in the initial stage you will always have to do what you hate to do. If you hate to do your job right now, you'll have to keep doing that because that is giving you cash flow. All right. So out of this entire debate, let's contextualize with this last statement of smartphone and everything, the hacking, the WhatsApp privacy understanding. I can go into debate right now, one against all, and I'll definitely win that context. All right. But just to give you a small little context so that you understand this concept, nothing is right or wrong. I was saying it previously as well. Nothing is right or wrong. It's how you see and perceive the world. ठीक है, सुभाष चंद्र बोस भी सही थे बिकॉज ही ऑप्टेड वायलेंस, गांधी जी भी सही थे बिकॉज ही ऑप्टेड नॉन वायलेंस. ऑलराइट, वैसे ही वेदर यू एक्सेप्ट द स्मार्टफोन और नॉट, यू गाइज वुड बी राइट इन योर लाइफ प्रोवाइडेड हाउ यू परसीव योर लाइफ. With that being said, this is your host and host Digital Pratik. Hope you got some value out of whatever I have spoken over here or whatever time you have hung around with me. And thank you so much, Niara and the entire team, Aditya, Mukul, Milind obviously, and like entire like Nitu, like कितने नाम है, मतलब नाम भूल जाऊंगा मैं, बहुत सारे नाम आ रहे हैं. But thank you so much everyone for having me over here. Thank you so much. God bless you and congratulations for making it a huge one, 24 hours plus. And I'm just excited to wait and listen to that official announcement from the record books. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, Pratik sir.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna continue this particular video from this point onwards, and I wanted to discuss everything which I have written over here while I was trying to judge those kids. Alright, so the context is this entire particular thing was for India Book of Records. Niara Sanstha was trying to make an attempt of an world's longest which is like 24 hours plus debate, online debate competition, where I was one of the master judges. And that's where I'm not going to go into detail. Probably I'll just post one picture over here which would be of Instagram, where you can see the details of how it was and things. So I was on that Zoom call from 1 a.m. Till 12:30 p.m. Right, so almost like 11 hours I was there for judging the people. and right at the end, then I was just judging on these papers which I told previously in this video. So I've not discussed a lot of things which I wanted to do, and now I'm going to start with one points. So I've written something over here which is Nokia 3310, and then I've written Samsung Duos to 4 iPhones, but practically educating and not educating, not just educating. Meaning this point was regarding one lady who was trying to speak against the topic, which was, is smartphone a boon or curse? So she was against, meaning she thinks that smartphones are curse. All right. So she made this point that there was some kid who was able to crack some UPSC exam. I don't remember exactly, but that was her point, and he was just using Nokia 3310. So people don't need smartphones to do big things in their life. So my point is, I'm a practical example of myself. Like Digital Pratik is a practical example of having his journey started with Samsung Duos, which was worth 3,500 rupees when he started his call center jobs, and moving further to where I am now and where I would be going. So I started with Samsung Duos 3,500 rupees phone, and to this point right now, if I tell you, right now the one which I'm recording with is iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is iPhone 7 Plus. This is iPhone XS Max, and this one is iPhone 11. All right. So I'm right now owning 4 iPhones. I have a couple of iPhone, like many iPhone, what do you say? Not iPhone, Apple products, but still I'm living a life practically where people are appreciating me or my brand, or following me or my brand, not just because I have 4 iPhones or something. Because I talk practicality, because I have educated myself in such a way that I have not just educated myself, I'm practically applying on the education which I'm having. All right. So the point over here is not just you being successful by having a cheap phone or big phones. It is you practically applying on your education and then going further in your life. So I don't think that smartphones are even a topic to discuss in this kind of scenario or this kind of example. So I just wanted to make sure I give a practical example to that. So that was one thing. Then second is personal growth. So I was talking about that personal growth thing. People think that just by using smartphone, people cannot be on a personal growth journey. Why? Because they'll constantly be on phone, they will constantly be busy, they'll constantly waste their time. But my point is on phones as well, if you want to do personal growth, it's just that you are not going to the proper resources. I'll give you a resource which I'm personally using since past couple of years now, which is 6-phase meditation, which involves compassion, forgiveness, gratitude, vision, your perfect day, and blessings. 6 phases. I every single day practice that. All right. It's a meditation. It's a guided meditation by Vishen Lakhiani from mindvalley.com. It's freely available. Just YouTube that 6-phase meditation. I'm sure you will understand the magic of personal growth even on the smartphones. All right. Next, and before I go any further, let me just remind you, people, when they are talking about smartphones, they are not talking about smartphones. They are talking about social media. Right. So this topic is more of, is smartphone a boon or curse? But people always subconsciously divert into talking about social media more and more. All right. So if you want to actually judge whether smartphones are boon or curse, you just delete all the social media apps. Just try to have the phone calling app and the text message app. I trust you, you won't talk about smartphones as a curse anymore. Because what you're talking about is social media, not the smartphones. You can access social media on desktop as well, right? So, and I feel that social media is just a way of you using internet right now, right? If you want to search something with respect to fashion, probably you're going to Pinterest or you're going to Instagram, not just Google. So now social media is just the way you're using internet for consumption of information, which is probably in the text, image, video, or audio form. So that is something which I wanted to talk before I go any further with a lot of things. Next is something regarding death. Yeah, people talk about death. People don't know about the Tabata exercises. People don't know about the effective exercises which can be done in short time, which you can probably learn on mobile phones. All right. So there is a program known as 10x Fitness right now, which is going on mindvalley.com. You can just visit digitalpratik.com/mindvalley or something like that. I don't know, but go ahead and search for these kind of programs. Right. Instead of going to Harvards and big IIMs and all those things, where you're just going for the sake of certificates and paying lakhs of rupees, just invest a couple of thousands of rupees for yearly subscriptions for these kind of programs. Now, I'm not saying that IIMs and IITs are bad. No, if you want to become a scientist, if you want to build an iPhone kind of phone by using some technology, definitely you will have to do that. Plus, let's suppose if we talk about doctors, if you want to operate somebody, if you want to operate somebody literally in the hospital, you cannot show that, okay, fine, I am a practical guy and I know everything, I don't have a certificate, I'll be a doctor. No, you cannot do that. You definitely need a certificate in that case, right? But let's say for people like me who know now that how to do things like this, how to build business, and I don't want to be a doctor, I don't want to be a civil engineer who builds flats, all right? So if you know that, then definitely I don't require certificate, and people like you, if you are into this category, you don't require certificates. That's the point which I'm trying to make over here. All right, I'll just shut the laptop over here. Then next, let's talk about somebody also mentioned that just because of smartphones and all, more and more rapes are happening. Why? Because people are watching blue films and all. Now, honestly speaking, smartphones and digitalization, if I just talk about Gujarat, because I'm in Gujarat, Gujarat's security has been on high priority. So it depends on the humans as well. It depends on the government as well. It depends upon how you are responsible in spreading good word on social media. Right, so obviously this is once again a debatable topic. People will say yes and no and all. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make sure that you perceive things with two different angles, not just one angle all the time, right? There will always be good and bad to the technology. So if yeah, I mean, yeah, so let's suppose if you talk about girls rape and all, people are getting secured as well because of these kind of apps. There are apps which are making people feel safe. I mean, let's say if you talk about Uber, all right, prior to Uber or Ola or any kind of taxi app, how many parents were sending their daughter or son, in fact, as well, how many parents were sending them in an unknown car with an unknown driver? How many? But now, by default, people are thinking that yes, those kind of unknown drivers and unknown taxis, which are now termed as Uber, Ola, Meru, and some kind of other taxis, are safe. How does that happen? It's just that the good way of branding some product, right? So yes, these kind of technologies and these kind of products and smartphones has definitely helped in the security as well. Parents are now more secured versus people sending them randomly in some bus or taxi. People feel safe that their kids are going in Uber or Ola and other taxis. So that was the point. Next is people think that by just going through online classes on smartphones for 7 to 8 hours, people's or kids' eyes would be damaged. Now, honestly, once again, I'll be taking my example. All right, I have been constantly on social media or constantly on my smartphone, if you want to be specific, or constantly on devices. My eyes are perfectly all right. See, all these things also depend upon your nutrition, what you are intaking every single day, how much you are exercising, what you are taking good care of. On top of that, your natural DNA as well, hereditary as well. It's not just because of smartphones, all right? Kids who are watching video games or playing video games or watching TV from like very young age on television as well, they are also getting specs and all right? Number unko bhi aate. So let's talk about that as well. Then let's say temple bells versus binaural beats, and yep. So then people are talking about people always play games on like a temple run and all on smartphones, and kids are wasting their time. My point is there are a lot of kids who are playing Fortnite and becoming millionaires. All right, there is this guy Busa or something. I don't remember his name, but there is this guy, all right, who has become millionaire, world record in playing Fortnite. Or so if you are extremely well in playing games, just look at the live streamers. Just look at the Scary Minati, who started playing video games, live streaming and all. He also used to get 1, 2, 3 views. All right, that's what you have to understand. So it's totally up to you how you're using the smartphone. Next, if you talk about that, you can use binaural beats. Educate yourself with respect to binaural beats. Educate yourself using apps like Mindvalley. Once again, you will get more and more. All right. Then Somebody talked about some kind of university where they have given this research that cancer happens because of vibration, and people keep their phones over here and close to them, so they might get cancer and all. Okay, fine. Let me talk about University of Digital, Pratik. My own practical thoughts. My point is, great practical knowledge, all right? Then live a practical life. Don't just listen to those kind of research. Whatever you are consuming right now are the facts. You are not going to some kind of university. You are just reading some facts, that too on smartphone probably. And then you are believing on those facts, right? So once again, it is like the damage of eyes because of being on the smartphone and all. Once again, this is the same topic. Then we talk about educating yourself is cheap yet more practical than ever. Yeah, that was a good point, which one of the ladies point. So she was on the, like, she was for the topic. She thinks that this is a boon. And then her mom, so that lady's name probably was Divya. I've written Divya's mom says be positive and all. So her mom is, there are kids whose mom are actually saying that when you're using smartphone, try to be positive while using that smartphone. All right. So you can educate yourself at a cheaper rate versus going to a college now. So that's a great stuff. And a lot of people think that parents used to scold and smartphones don't scold. But I feel that problem is in both of them. All right. Problem is in both of them. Earlier, when smartphones were not there, parents used to scold kids. But now, smartphones are not scolding the kids, but still parents are scolding them, right? So any which ways, it's one the same. So उसमें smartphones का कहाँ से topic आता है? All right, smartphones don't scold. I mean, when parents used to scold you, you think that why parents are scolding, why parents are scolding. Now smartphones are not scolding, then you think that why smartphones are not scolding. So that was the point. Then obviously the personal growth thing, which I talked about, 12 areas of life. I have already talked about that. Next is, let's say, I bet I have put the most amount of content on smartphone and notepad. Yeah. Yeah. Then somebody was saying that people get busy on smartphones and they are not talking to people and all. I would say people are not just getting busy. A lot of people like me, we are getting productive on smartphones and building businesses out of that. All right, I have built an empire right now for myself. When I say empire, I'm not talking about $1 billion. I'm talking empire which is sufficient enough for me and my family. All right, that's it. So that's what I'm talking about. And still I'm growing that empire now by doing my best, which I can in my life with respect to my businesses. So don't just get busy, whether it is smartphone or social media. People think that getting busy. You have to be productive in whatever you do, whether it is smartphone or not a smartphone. So just understand the difference between busy and productive over there. And now, yeah, and then I'm saying that people are getting busy on smartphones. I will tell you that while I was judging this entire event for the entire night using a laptop, I was jotting down a couple of points on my mobile phone, which is a smartphone. I was jotting down something over here. I was listening to people. Then I was engaging with the comments on my Instagram at times, on my LinkedIn at times. So what I'm trying to say is I was able to be busy yet productive. I was busy, but I was productive while I was busy. So I was listening to you, judging you, seeing my notifications, putting Insta Live. I did a 5-minute Insta Live as well in the morning while there was a break for 5 minutes. Bringing value, writing all this thing and not considering myself busy but productive in my life. That is what is the missing part for a lot of people. All right. Then let's say there was a lady named Aparna. She was against once again. So she said, and when I'm saying all these names and I'm saying against and for, it was just a debate competition where they were participating. So most of those kids are on Instagram as well, on LinkedIn, Facebook as well. So they are definitely using smartphone. They are not completely against. It is just for the competition. Probably they might be saying against and for and all those things. So let's not take it like on the heart. Oh my God, मेरे को ये प्रतीक भाई ने बोल दिया, मेरे को प्रतीक सर ने बोल दिया, ये वो प्रतीक ने ऐसा बोल दिया, डिजिटल प्रतीक ने ऐसा बोल दिया. No, nothing like that, right? So she was mentioning suicide is happening because of there was a suicide. She might have read somewhere, and definitely it might be true. All right, I'm not denying on that fact. So there was a lady who committed suicide just because she didn't get number of likes, all right, as compared to what she wanted. So my point is, before smartphones as well, all right, before smartphones as well, suicide used to happen because of insecurity of beauty in the offline world, right? When people used to say bad things about a girl offline as well, they used to they used to commit suicide. So it's not just because of smartphones. You just have to relate in the offline world as well. People, when they didn't get compliments, there are a lot of case studies like that as well. That जब लोगों को compliment अच्छा नहीं मिलता है तो लोग suicide कर लेते हैं. Why? Because they feel insecure about themselves then. So it's about you not giving a fuck about other people's opinion about you, not just smartphone and suicide and all. Both the cases, whether it is smartphone or not, the problem lies in the human being where they are trying to give a fuck about other people's opinion about them. That's the problem, not the smartphone. Then there was a lady who was saying that because of smartphones, people are not reading books, and people have got distracted just because of smartphone. My point is, I'm a guy who gets distracted by reading books, while I'm using this smartphone to consume books like that in form of audiobooks, right? So once again, like, it is all about how you perceive things. And then while listening to audiobooks, I am doing multitasking as well. Now, multitasking will depend upon an individual's capabilities, all right? It's totally fine if you are not multitasking and just consuming audiobook. That is perfectly all right. But the point was that when people say that they are getting distracted because of that device, why? Because now they are not focusing on the books reading. I am the guy who is completely reverse. It's good that these kind of devices exist so that I can consume those kind of books and in the form of audiobooks. All right, so next is yeah. So there was an interesting kid who was saying that सही है कि ये सब चीज़ें बुरी है, स्मार्टफोन से बुरी चीज़ें हैं तो इसको हम फेंक तो नहीं दे सकते बिकॉज इट इज़ लाइक अ बैड पार्ट इन द बॉडी जिसको हम निकाल नहीं सकते एंड ऑल. सो मैंने तब एक पॉइंट लिखा था दैट वॉट एवर आई हैव सेड और रिटन ओवर हियर is actually with respect to curing that part. What I'm doing, I'm just giving you another perception, and I'm trying to say that this is actually a cure as well. You can use this device in a different way, which will be a cure for the thought process which you might be having the reverse way. So I have said is actually using it and curing it. Then the next was my eyes are way better than all of you, in spite using smartphone, using way more than you. That's something which I told. Then hard work doesn't end by getting answers from Google. Hard work goes into, yeah. So somebody said that because of Google and all these things which people are using on smartphone, people have forgotten the essence of hard work. Why? Because people get answers easily on Google. Now there are 2 points which I wanted to discuss. Number one is technology आसान बनाने के लिए ही आती है काम, ठीक है? तो अगर काम आसान हो रहे हैं तो क्यों ना हम वहाँ जाए, राइट? ह्यूमंस का टाइम जितना बचेगा उतना ही ह्यूमंस को अच्छा लगेगा. सो इफ इट इज़ हैपनिंग फॉर समथिंग गुड, इट इज़ गुड. सेकेंड, जो स्टूडेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं कि लोग पढ़ाई करना भूल जाते हैं या लोग मेहनत करना भूल जा रहे हैं. माई पॉइंट इज़ ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस. लेट्स गो इन द कॉलेज डेज और स्कूल डेज. हमारे स्कूल डेज में जाते हैं. चलो, आप जो भी उम्र के अभी देख रहे हो, लेट्स गो बैक इन द स्कूल डेज. जब हम स्कूल में थे, चलो आपने चोरी नहीं की होगी, आपके फ्रेंड्स ने या किसी ने तो चोरी की होगी, ठीक है, जो आपको मालूम रहेगा, जिन्होंने चिट्ठी बनाई होगी. People might have created some chits. They might have inserted right over here in the underwears or somewhere in the collars here and there. Okay, all those fancy tricks. Now that also requires hard work, buddy. Cheating in the examination in front of this audience and all those things also requires hard work. So hard work तो तभी कर रहे थे, बट वो गलत चीज़ में हो रहा था ना. तो वैसे ही मैं बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पर कि हार्ड वर्क तो हमेशा से लोग कर रहे हैं. It's just that you are trying to compare two different things using this in a different way, which is not right. So hard work करना कोई नहीं भूला है, hard work तो कर ही रहे. मतलब I am doing this hard work right now to put in more context to my text form, which I have written in the video form, and trying to bring more value over here. Using what? Using a fucking smartphone. And probably you must be watching this on a smartphone, if not on desktop, right? So let's think of that as well. Then spending more family time. Yeah, so people think that just because people are constantly on smartphones, they are not able to spend more time with their family. Now my point is, there are a lot of parents who might be coming home early, but while they are early, and there they might be constantly maybe in the mental stress and all because of the job and all. So effectively, if I think, they might be spending 1 hour with their family, versus what I am personally doing now is I have decided that, like, unless I have emergency, I'll take lunch together with my family. All right, other than that, I might be completely working with my smartphones or laptops here and there. But though that 1 hour would be so productive, I'll keep my smartphones aside and all those things. So it's the conscious choices which we make while we are using smartphones, right? So totally depends upon what you are doing currently and what you are able to spend time, what kind of time you can spend. You can gradually increase that too. It's not necessary to go away from the WhatsApp all the time. All right. Then there is something known as data privacy. Yeah, people always worry about the data privacy, and WhatsApp का भी अभी नया आया है, तो people are worried about not using WhatsApp and all. 6 महीने में बहुत बोल रहा हूँ, 6 महीने के अंदर सब लोग भूल जाने वाले हैं. राइट, जब भी कोई नया कुछ चीज़ आता है, पीपल ऑलवेज वरी अबाउट द डेटा एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. मैं ये बंद कर दूंगा, वो बंद कर दूंगा, 3 महीने के बाद उसी में लोग आ जाते हैं और उसी में लोग पोस्ट करते हैं पिक्चर दैट हाँ आई वॉज रॉन्ग अबाउट दिस एंड ऑल, आई एम स्टिल यूजिंग इट, प्लीज़ फॉलो मी एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. So मतलब if you are using internet, nothing is secured, right? Plus the voice technology will be so huge, and it is already so huge. Whatever you are speaking right now, अगर आपके पास कोई डिवाइस कहीं पे भी है ना, उसके अंदर फीड हो रहा है कहीं से. Especially if you have an Amazon Alexa or Google Home, something like that, that is tracking the data which you are speaking, the patterns, the voice vibrations and everything. So anyhow, that is going in the world, in the universe right now. So don't worry about that, right? And then obviously I had a lot of things. I mean, if I go ahead and talk about this, I can go on and on and on. All right, people think that just because smartphones are there, people learn hacking and all. Even I have done ethical hacking. There is also a term known as ethical hacking. Ankit Fadia was one of my like virtual mentors in my college days. All right, I was a big fan of Ankit Fadia. I've learned so much of things from him. Now I don't know anything, but I used to do Bluetooth hacking. Wi-Fi के पहले Bluetooth आया था. So अगर आप 20 साल के नीचे हो अभी, तो आपको तो मालूम ही नहीं रहेगा. सो देयर वाज इंफ्रारेड एज वेल, जहाँ पर 2 फ़ोन को ऐसे कनेक्ट करना पड़ता था, तब जाके डेटा ट्रांसफर होता था. फिर ब्लूटूथ आया, फिर वाईफाई आया. वाईफाई के पहले भी 2.75 एज आया, 2.75 या 2.5 एज आया था. ई, दैट ई विच यू सी एट टाइम्स व्हेन योर इंटरनेट इज लो, दैट इज 2.5. और जो 3G कहते हैं ना, 3G के पहले एक 2.5 या 2.75G ऐसा कुछ तो था, जिसको एज बोलते थे, राइट? So there are a lot of things which I have done, but ethically, not to harm somebody. So it's once again a conscious choice. And next is, people think that अति की गति नहीं होती है. The same way, if you are thinking constantly negative, so वहाँ पर भी वो आपकी अति है ना. आप नेगेटिव ही सोचना चाहते हो, नेगेटिव ही सोचना चाहते हो, एक रोशनी को नहीं देखना चाहते हो, आप एक नई किरण को नहीं देखना चाहते हो. मतलब रोशनी और किरण यहाँ लड़कियाँ नहीं हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग इन पॉजिटिव सेंस, राइट, ओवर हियर. सो प्लीज़ डोंट मेक दिस एज अ जोक ओवर हियर. बट या नेगेटिव सोच में जितना आप रहोगे, आपको उतना ही मतलब वो तकलीफ देगा, राइट? एंड या दैट्स द थिंग विच यू शुड बी फोकसिंग अबाउट. Porn sites, let's talk about that. So people worry about, so I'm going quickly and I'm not going into everything over here. I'm just picking up big because I want to just make sure that this doesn't go too much long. People worry about the porn sites, that because of smartphone, the consumption of porn sites has become huge and all. Trust me, I mean, porn sites आपके पेरेंट्स को पूछना CDs में कितना देखते थे, और CDs में से कॉपी करके स्क्रीन कितना वो देखते थे, ठीक है? सो वो तो मतलब बताओ ही मत. बाथरूम्स में जब गांव में जाते थे, तो कोई भी वॉशरूम में भी मतलब, खैर मेरे को ये सब मतलब अश्लील लगेगा अगर मैं ज़्यादा बात करने लगूंगा इसमें तो. सो पॉर्न साइट्स एंड पॉर्न थिंग्स हैव बीन सिंस एजेस. तो वो तरीका, आपका नज़रिया बदलो उसको देखने के लिए, कि वो ही स्मार्टफोन से ही पॉर्न साइट्स होता है एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो प्लीज़, people speak facts based on information which they are consuming on internet, which they are using on smartphones. So I talk about practicality. I'm not saying any sense which I just read on internet or something or smartphone. I talk about practicality. So I would urge all of you to talk more about practicality in your life and your experiences, not just by reading some blogs and research and facts from some kind of university of XYZ.
People think that people are dying because of smartphone. People are having jobs like delivery jobs, I would say. All right, people say that people are dying because of smartphones. I am saying that there are a lot of apps like Zomato, Swiggy and all which are actually giving jobs to a lot of people across the globe, right? Because the delivery apps are mobile oriented, smartphone oriented. Ola, Uber, Meru, all these taxi apps. Just imagine if smartphones are not there, then all these people would be losing their jobs. People don't think about that. Anyways, so with all of those things, I would just say that still, if you think that smartphone is a curse, try to delete social media apps, as I said, and you will feel it as a boon. And I am super proud. I am super proud to be addict of this smartphone technology or smartphone device, because it gives me my business, my money, and a little bit of material comfort as well, which then gives me happiness, which then allows me to do more and more good in the society like this, leveraging my time and money which I have. All right, that's it for this particular one. This is your host and host, Digital Pratik, signing off. Before you leave, let me know in the comments what do you think about this. Do you think that smartphone is a boon or a curse? Comment below, subscribe if you are new to my channel, and do turn on the bell notification if you still haven't. All right, cheers, see you tomorrow.